was looking for the next project. Those brake calipers are gonna look great. So you know what I like and hate at the same time? I like and hate to be here because they have a bunch of tools, and I love tools, as you guys can tell. And sometimes I came here just to see all the tools they have, but man, they're expensive. They are really expensive. Like this aisle, for example. Ooh, they got all the goodies in here. Man, I love this aisle. Well, I'm gonna keep checking around all the tools, see if I get something, and I see you at the house, guys. So we're gonna start working on those brakes. How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode, and in this episode we are gonna do paint. I'm gonna paint the calipers, and I guess I'm gonna do it on both cars. I'm gonna start with mine, and I'm just gonna do one caliper for demonstration. So we're gonna start preparing the system. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna clean calipers. We're gonna put some blue painter's tape, and it will be good to remove the caliper so you paint everything good. But obviously I'm gonna paint everything, but on the back, on the inside, nobody see that, so I'm not gonna do that part. This one is really small, so we're gonna get to it in a minute. Let's start cleaning these calipers, and then we're gonna start getting ready for paint. Okay, guys, we have here the paint, so let's open it. Let's open this. Let's put the activator. And they say that you have to shake it really well and let it sit for 5 minutes. And man, I just opened this thing and I don't think I'm gonna have enough paint for both cars. I hope I do, but let's see. Okay, I'm gonna keep shaking this bottle, get it ready. I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. I already cleaned the brakes, the calipers, so I'm just gonna go one more time, make sure they go clean perfectly. By the way, G2 system is really good. I buy this on eBay, pay $42 for it, I believe. But I'm gonna put the price in the link where I bought it. on the description. Um, and rear one is ready. And we are gonna get ready to paint. Okay, guys. After 5 minutes cleaning, I put some blue paint tape, and let's go for the first coat. Obviously, in the first coat, you're still gonna see through it. On the second one, you're supposed to cover everything up, and by the third one, first coat, guys, is already on, and I like it. It's gonna cover really good. Yeah. Obviously, you can see last time I sprayed, I used a spray, so it went everywhere. Kind of messy. But first coat, let's go for the second one. Second coat is on. What do you guys think? I kind of like it. I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna let it dry for like 10 more minutes, and I think I'm gonna have to go for 4 coats. But that little bottle of paint, I think it's gonna last me for both cars. Yeah, I don't worry about it, but if I need more, well, I'm gonna get more. But I think the black one, the black Accord, is gonna look even better with this paint. Okay, guys, calipers are done. It doesn't require 3 coats. I went with 4, and it took me a long time. You can see right there, caliper. It took me more time than what I was expecting, because it gets a little bit cold, so I had to wait a little bit more between coats, and to cover all the orange, I had to go with 4 coats. And I recommend to do this project on Saturday morning when you have nice weather, in case you don't have a garage. Go with start in the morning, go with like 4 coats. And if you have calipers without paint, I think 3 coats will do it. My wife's car doesn't have any paint, so I'm gonna try that one next Saturday. In the morning, I'm gonna start working on that on the morning, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna give you a little bit of update on this process. But it requires more time than what I was expecting. So tell me what you think. I'm just gonna put the rims now. I was thinking on going to Starbucks to get a coffee, but I'm not gonna be able to do it. I'm gonna let it cure, and I think the black rims with the green calipers looks amazing. Let me put the other rim so we can see it. I think I'm gonna have to change my lug nuts now. If I put green ones, give it a little bit more accent, it's gonna look killer, but I don't know yet. I'm gonna have leave it with the red ones for now. But there you have it, guys. I think it looks amazing. Obviously, I need to clean my wheels. They're really dirty. There you have it, guys. I hope you like this video. Ask me in the comments any questions if you have some. Tell me what you think about this. Like I said, it requires more time, so you're gonna have, if you're going for this, you're gonna have to take your time. Saturday morning you're gonna start, and then you go from there, because remember, you have to do like 3-4 coats, and you have to let it cure. You have to let the paint cure and dry before you go with another coat. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be posting more videos. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.